Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says Voicemeeter driver, your PC has a driver or service that isn't ready for this version of Windows. So I've got a fix for this, and how you can do this. Let's get started. First open start menu and then type device manager. Open device manager and then you have to click on view and click on show hidden devices. Then search for sound, video and game controllers. Open this and then open VB audio voicemeter VAIO. Right click on it and then click on uninstall device. Now restart your PC and it will automatically reinstall the driver. After that, hopefully your problem fixes, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.